Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today we're about to transform this beautiful 613 wig into unicorn hair. So today, in order to tone the hair, I'm going to be using Powder Blue Adore. The reason I'm able to use this as a toner is because even though it is a dark purple, it's actually very translucent. So any toner that you use is basically a color that's going to be very translucent and is going to help pull out the yellow. As you see, when I wipe it on a piece of paper, it's very see-through and thin, and that's what you want for your toners. So we're going to be doing this with the watercolor method. I'm sure you guys know the watercolor method. You're going to fill your tub up with hot water, pour your liquid in, and make sure you stir thoroughly. When you're dipping the hair in and out, you want to be sure to open the hair up and separate it to keep it from being streaky. And you also want to make sure that you're using enough hair color. So this is about 26 inches. I should have had 2 bottles because it's a lot of hair and it's really dense. So, I won't have the ideal results that I want, but it's going to do the job. But just be sure that you open the hair up. You can even comb through the hair while you're dipping it. So the next step in my toning process is to use purple shampoo, and this is also going to help even out the color and the tone and take out the yellow. I did want to go for like a silvery kind of lavenderish color, but again, I didn't have enough of the toner, so I know my color won't be as even as I wanted to, but it'll be a good base because I'll be adding colors to the end, so I think we'll be fine. Remember, do not use conditioner because you are going to be putting color on it and you don't want the conditioner to keep the color from being as intense. So this is how the color came out. One of the things about doing dip dye is that the color is not always consistent. So if that's something that you are particularly concerned about, you may want to go in and hand paint. That's why I love to hand paint, because it makes sure that everything is fully saturated. But again, matter of preference and time. Today I'm going to be using 5 colors. These are from Pulp Riot, and then the blue and the purple are from Joico Color Intensity. I like cream based colors because they stick and they help with running and bleeding. Adore and Kiss, they kind of are liquidy, and sometimes when you're doing rainbows and blending colors, it can get a little bit like muddy. So I just prefer to use cream colors if possible. But you can still get the same results with a more liquid consistency. So the placement I'm using now is like a ponytail placement. It's basically a way to apply a lot of color over a large area in a short time. This is not something you want to do if you are trying to do like a fully saturated look. I kind of want pastel. I want a little bit of the gray to show through, and I want it to be kind of eventually get more transparent. So this is how the colors look as they are processing. I'm going to let it sit overnight. No, usually I would let it sit overnight. Actually, I don't have time to let it sit overnight today, so I'm going to rinse this bad boy out and get to styling because I got to go. I love how the colors came out. This reminds me of the cereal Tricks. That was always like one of the most colorful, fruity cereals. I never really ate Tricks as a kid, but I definitely love the colors. But do y'all see what she's giving? Like, do y'all see what sis is giving though? Okay? Like, don't play with me with this color. Like, wait for the install though. And the colors reflect UV light. So if you have a black light, the neon colors actually pop. I just love how it came out. This might be like one of my all-time favorite wigs, guys. And I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. Be sure to check out my Instagram, Leilani's.love, so you guys can see more looks I post of this wig. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Leilani's.love or Leilani's_love. And again, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and love.